In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell on Facebook Marketplace. Get ready for some tips and tricks that can help you make money while at home. To kick things off, it's essential to first set up your profile properly. Make sure you use your real name and a clear photo. This helps in building trust with potential buyers who are always on the lookout for legitimacy. Secondly, complete your bio by adding your location and a way for buyers to contact you. Messenger is a great option for this. Don't forget to link a payment method like Facebook Pay, as this will streamline all your transactions, making things smoother for you and your buyers. Once your profile is set, focus on listing your items effectively. Take clear, high-quality photos of your product from different angles. It's a good rule of thumb to have around 4 to 6 images. For your listing title, be as descriptive as possible. Include the brand name, item type, and any key features or conditions. Something like iPhone 12, 128GB, excellent condition, works perfectly. In the description, dive into details about the condition, size, color, and be honest about any flaws. Pricing is crucial. Check similar listings in your area to ensure your pricing is competitive. Next, optimizing your listings for search is vital. Use relevant keywords that people might search for, such as product type, brand, and condition. Ensure you select the right category and use filters properly, including condition and location, so that your items are easily discoverable. When inquiries come in, respond quickly. The faster you reply, the better your chances of closing a sale. Maintain a polite and professional tone in all your interactions. Having a simple ready-made script can also save time, like, "Hi, yes, it's still available. I can hold it for you if you'd like to meet today." Negotiations are a part of selling, so expect lowball offers and prepare to respond politely with your lowest acceptable price. If you're selling multiple items, consider offering a bundle discount. However, stay firm on valuable items and avoid undervaluing your products. To increase the visibility of your listings, share them to local buy-sell groups. This broadens your reach significantly. Keep your listings updated, as refreshing them makes them appear first in search results. If you're open to it, Facebook's Boost feature can also increase exposure. Safety should never take a back seat. When meeting buyers, always choose public places like malls, coffee shops, or even police stations. Stick to cash or secure digital payments and bring a friend along if possible for added safety. Lastly, track your sales by keeping a log of what sells fast and what doesn't. Analyzing trends can reveal the best times or seasons for selling particular items. And for those looking to make a steady income from home, focus on trending or high-demand items, such as electronics or furniture. Revamp or upcycle products to add value before selling, and don't shy away from sourcing from clearance sales or thrift stores for upcycling opportunities. Consistency is key. More listings mean more sales opportunities. As a bonus tip, always aim to maintain a friendly reputation. Positive reviews and relationships with repeat buyers can transform your marketplace experience into a sustainable income source from the comfort of your home. Happy selling!